How to fix missing network adapters on Windows 11. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can fix if your network adapter is missing. You can just go ahead and click on the Wi-Fi menu to see if you're connected to any internet. But if you are not, then there are a few things that you can do. Sometimes just a simple restart can fix a lot of things, so you are going to have to try to restart your PC. And if you were having problem with network connection, it would reset all of the drivers and then your problem will be fixed automatically. Sometimes the simple solution could be the best solutions. So after that, if you're still facing the problem, then you're going to have to move on to the next step, which is go to the start menu here. And once your start menu is open, you can search for device manager and hit enter. From here, you're going to have to find your network adapters. So let's just go ahead and find this right here. I have my wireless network adapter right here. What I'm going to do is right click on it to update the driver. Click on search automatically for drivers. And if it says the best driver is already installed, you're good to go. Sometimes your network adapters might be hidden. So in that case, go to view and then click on show hidden devices. So here you'll be able to see a lot more adapters which were hidden previously. Now you can try to update these drivers as well. And once you've done all of them, then you can go to action and then click on scan for hardware changes. So if there has been any changes, it will automatically fix it. Now after this, you close this out. After this, you're going to have to temporarily disable your viruses or VPNs. So right click on the start menu and then go to settings. Once you open settings, find the network and internet on the left side of your screen. Click on it and then go to VPN. Now, if you have connected any VPNs, you just want to go ahead and disable the VPNs you've connected. Now go back and then you're going to have to do the same thing for proxy. So if any proxy is connected to your PC, you're going to have to disable it. Just make sure you turn on the automatically detect settings. And then if you have set up any manual proxy, just make sure to turn it off. Click on save and then go back. Now the next step is to go to your start menu and then search for virus and threat protection. Hit enter. And it will open up your Windows security tab. Now just wait for it to load. From here, you want to head over to manage settings. Click on it and then find the real-time protection. Just make sure to turn this one off. Close this out and then go to your start menu to restart your PC. Once you've done that, you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.